Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are good, hope you are fine. You're welcome back again to today's video. So in today's video, I want to make akara. Is it oil? Is that oil? I want to make okay, this is a different person. Bring up. What is this cup?
This later, yes.
You shape like this. You cut your finger off. So I want to make this cake for taking part. I don't know what the children are going to eat. So I decided to make this thing for that.
Mommy,
So I said, let me, since you have pap here, let me just do the akara for them. You use them during the time. Honestly, but headache don't want to leave me. Since 3 days now. When you feel headache, put me back. I just need to see headache. I don't know. So I'm going to soak the beans now. Which one? I'm going to try. So I'm going to soak the beans. Allow it to soak after some minutes. I will come and wash it. Oh, don't do that. After some minutes, I will wash it. Please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, okay? Like my video, comment, and help us share. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love everyone. I love you guys for your support, for your kindness, everything, your views, your likes, everything. Thank you all for supporting me, okay? I really appreciate it. And please keep supporting your girl, okay? Yeah. So keep supporting me. Stay tuned to the video. So I've soaked the beans. I've soaked the beans now. Yeah. So here is the beans. I've soaked it. I will allow it to soak for some minutes. Understand? Then after that I will wash it. Then we'll take it to the engine. They will grind it for me there.
Would you
remove your hand? I will take it to the engine station. They will grind it for me there. Then I will continue. Leave it. Don't use to do. You should have it. So you go for this thing. Oh, Guinea. Eh? Would you? Ben. So guys, yeah, so we are going to be washing it now. So I have to do it like this. Like, Maja is small. Your brother. Kita gonna have it. Let's say I want some potato chips.
Is it left? I see that they have come back. Daddy. Chuck is gonna. Chuck going. Then I should wait. Going. Super size.
Yum. Belgian pizza in Belgium.
You can't wait on the rock.
Just make us say.
No way.
Just on yum here. Yum basket in the jar of the you don't power this. Jesus, so what do you help me? What's the class first?
3 minutes.
The class.
3 minutes.
Just a minute. Me pay. One that was some of where and I'm both together. Guys, I'm doing my shampoo. See the way I'm using leather to support myself. The way this thing used to pepper me, eh? Ah. The way this used to pepper me. Today, tomorrow, if I don't put anything in my hand, it will be peppering me. Like I don't even sleep. So I'm doing my shampoo to put this one that will make it to change color. Wait, so this is after the brandy. The brandy. So this is what we have here. Bye bye. This is what we have here. I will use this one to do akara. Then the other one, elele. So stay tuned. Let's get them ready. So at this point, I'll be using red oil for this. For some reasons, okay? So that's the reason why I'm using red oil. But you can use your coconut oil, fine and good. But I'm using this one for some reasons, okay? Take notes. I'm using red oil for some reasons. Oh, the hem there now. I'll come here. It's not even a very issue.
Oh, this is what you do. Yes, boss.
Come on, again, I'm going to move you. Okay? Open again, I'm going to move you. You need to look again on my face. Our moi-moi is in the fire. We allow it to cook very well. Then later, after some minutes, you come and check it. Yeah, come and check it out. Check it out. It's giving, right? So yes, yeah, it's your moi-moi is ready. See, so it's ready to eat. This is the letter I put down, so the thing will not get brown. Upon that, the water dry is about to dry, so some of them just burst, but not much. So we'll still use it in the morning. In the morning, I will just put them aside, extra leather, and warm them again. So we saved. So for now, I'll be going with this one. This is pop and moi-moi. thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.